What up, guys? So I'm going to fix a scratch on my car today with Turtle Wax's scratch repair kit. As you can see, it's pretty bad. Clear through the clear coat, so it's gonna be a little annoying. Well, first I washed it already and got all the dirt off and everything. Next, use the clear coat pen to fill in the scratch, and it'll look like as if the scratch has disappeared, according to Turtle Wax. But it hasn't, because it's still there. Okay, now this is the scratch with a clear coat on. I'm gonna have to wait 24 hours for it to fully dry, so I'll get back to this tomorrow morning. Alright, now that the paint has dried overnight, it's time to start sanding. It's the part that I dread the most. This is actually my first time sanding. I'm using the number 2 pad with a spray lubricant that's included. So just spray on lubricant and spray on the pad. And lightly, very, very lightly, just sand it up. Just sand it off until it's even with the original paint. Now we move on to pad number 3. Same procedure. Just spray and spray. And now onto pad number 4. Again, just spray and spray. Make sure it's well lubricated. You don't want to dry sand this. Alright, now that it's sanded, you're going to use this paint clarifying compound. Just put on a rag and start rubbing it. And just put a bit on a microfiber towel or 100% cotton. Just a bit. Whoops, and that's too much. And just start spreading it and polishing it the opposite way of what you sanded. So I did horizontally when I sanded. Now I'm going to do it, polish it vertically. Put a little elbow grease in it. Now you can start to see the shine coming through. And just keep doing it until it matches the clear coat on the body. Okay guys, so I'm done after 20 or so minutes of just rubbing and rubbing. This is the finished product. As you can see, you can barely see the scratch anymore. The standing scratches are all gone. There's a little bump from the touch-up paint, but that's because I didn't sand it well enough. And I don't really feel like sanding it all over again. So that's the finished product. I really recommend this. It works really well if you put the patience into it. And that's how you fix the scratch.